I'm Shira Blumenthal.
And I'm Stephen Michael Mooney.
And we're here to talk about yarn buzz.
Buzz, buzz, stitches.
So welcome to Yarn Buzz. We're going to be bringing this show to you hopefully pretty often. And so you get to know what's happening in the world of yarn, but also plus celebrities.
Yeah.
Plus pop culture.
Yeah, where the world, outside world meets yarn is where we are.
My friend here, Stephen, is not a knitter.
No, I've tried.
He's definitely tried, or he's just saying that he's tried.
No, I've really tried.
But that's okay, because he is the yin to my yang. He is the pop culture to my, I don't know. So are you a big fan of music festivals?
I like music.
That's fair. I'll take it. So Coachella just happened.
It did.
And it
Beyonce.
happens. Beyonce.
Did anyone watch that?
Did anyone watch it? Leave a comment below. And every year at Coachella, it's basically just like a boho chic vibe that's going on all the time with the clothing. And
right.
Yeah, and it's actually really granny squares, shocker, super popular at Coachella. Like that's the vibe that's going out. And obviously it's in the desert, so we're not wearing wool, but like lots of different cotton yarns.
Yes.
And colors, very vibrant colors.
Sure.
And not just granny squares, but a lot of crocheting happening. And just like the duster vibe, you know, like kind of like the long sweaters.
Yes.
I mean, personally, if I were gonna go to Coachella, which I probably wouldn't because I don't do deserts, I would use.
Don't do deserts.
I would use. I would use 24/7 cotton, which is one of our yarns.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's just cotton, and there are so many colors.
So 24 colors? What's the 7 stand for?
That you can use it
Any day of the week?
Yes.
Oh, and it's a cotton, so it's breathable any time of the year. That is brilliant.
Are you an SNL fan?
Yes.
Amy Poehler,
Okay.
Nick Offerman.
From both of them from Parks and Rec.
Right. I don't watch that show, but you told me how great
should
it
watch
is.
it, yeah.
But now they're hosting a crafting show this summer. I'm not a big reality person, but I'm a big crafting person, right? So I feel like it's bringing in like these two different worlds combining together.
Yeah, I love that.
Amy Poehler is really funny.
Yeah. So is she a crafter? Amy, are you a crafter?
Amy, are you a crafter?
Amy, if you're listening. So I think that Nick Offerman's a crafter. I think he's like into woodworking. And I think she's, I could be wrong, and Amy, correct me if I'm wrong.
In the comments below, maybe leave if you know if she's a crafter or not and what she likes to do.
Yeah, or if she's crafted something for you.
Oh.
Send it to me. My address is not below.
So, Harry Potter.
Dun 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 dun. You have to sing with me. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
That is Harry Potter. Did you read the books?
Of course I read the books, which you did too.
No, I didn't.
Shira!
I didn't read the books, but it's okay because the one thing that I do know, because it does relate to the knit world, is that, I'll tell you. I'll tell you how it relates.
I do love knitting patterns.
So there are scarves that have to do with Harry Potter.
Yes.
And I actually went to see the Broadway show.
I saw it too.
Yeah, twins.
It was insanely magical.
It was very magical. I will give it that.
I think that's all we're supposed to say because
Yes.
we're running a campaign.
Yes.
Hashtag keep the secret.
They have all these types of different color scarves for all the different houses, right?
And they sell the scarves. I'm 99% sure they sell the scarves in the gift shop at the Broadway show.
Or you could knit one.
I would either buy it or pay someone to knit one for me. I would ask her, but she'll say no.
No, I won't do it. I was on Instagram the other day and I followed Jennifer Garner.
Yes.
And she posted, it was her birthday actually last week.
Happy birthday, JG!
Happy birthday, girl, alias.
Yes, Stitch!
Yes, Stitch. And she, for her, I think it's Sophie, her daughter.
Okay.
Made her, like, used a loom and made her a 12-foot long scarf.
That's like three Jennifer Garners.
Yeah, it's a lot of Jennifer
That's a lot
Garners.
of scarf.
But she was like totally working it.
I bet
like,
it probably looked amazing.
It actually did. And it was so awesome. Like, I love the fact that her daughter's looming.
Yeah, and making, I think that's the best part about knitting and looming and crocheting
Yeah.
is that often you're making things for other people.
Exactly.
It's like you're sharing like your love with other people.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love the love. Kristen Bell and Dax Shepard married.
Yeah.
Dax Shepard came out with this awesome podcast called The Armchair Expert. It's as if you're a fly on the wall in a conversation.
Cool.
And Dax Shepard interviewed Kristen Bell.
Okay.
And she talked about in the conversation how she had to go to Michael's.
Look, I did have to go to Michael's today, and then I'm missing garland, and I really want that garland.
And he just was like, oh, well, that's a yarn shop. And then it's not.
more than one.
It's
It's more
more.
than a yarn
There's so many things that you can get at Michael's.
It's called Michael's like crafts. It's
Yeah.
not called Michael's yarn.
No, it's not called Michael's Yarn.
So you would prefer to be at Michael's.
Yeah.
You've made that abundantly clear.
They got wind of that episode and they sent her this whole like box of all other things that you can buy at Michael's,
come on to Michael's.
along with yarn.
Okay.
Okay. And now she's learning how to knit. I love seeing people knit, and I love stars who knit. Stars who are just like us. Thanks so much for joining us, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And where can they find the link to the Yarn Buzz?
Right below, Yarn Buzz newsletter. Click and subscribe to the newsletter below.
Bingo.
Comes out once a week.
Ah, yes, once a week. And leave some comments below.
Yeah, if
Tell
you have
us-
questions or stuff that you
Yeah.
want us to talk
Or
about.
fact check us.
Ooh. Oh.
Until next time,
See you later, Stitches.